In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trust request in Clio Manage 2026 Easy Tutorial. Let's walk through the process together so you can confidently generate a professional request for a client to deposit funds into trust. I'll add context along the way so each choice you make is clear and intentional. Start by opening Billing from the left sidebar. Billing is the central place where you'll create and manage charges, invoices, and trust activity, so it's the right starting point for this task. Next, create a new trust request. Click New Bills, then choose New Trust Request from the dropdown. This opens a dedicated screen designed specifically for requesting trust deposits, separate from standard invoices. Now, enter the dates. Set the issue date to reflect when you're creating or planning to send the request. Then choose a due date that gives your client enough time to act while keeping your matter moving forward. Clear, realistic due dates reduce follow-up and help with compliance timelines. Select the client in the client field by searching for and choosing the correct contact. Take a brief moment to verify spelling and make sure you've selected the right party, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Accuracy here ensures the funds are attributed correctly when they arrive. Choose the balance type from the dropdown. This setting tells Clio where the requested funds will be tracked. Select the option that aligns with your firm's trust accounting setup. If your firm uses different trust categories or rules, follow those guidelines. When in doubt, confirm with your administrator so the deposit lands in the correct place. Enter the amount in the amount field. Type the exact trust deposit you're requesting. Many firms use standard retainer amounts for common matters. If that applies to you, use the agreed figure. Double-check for extra zeros or misplaced decimals before moving on. Add a note if you'd like. Click Add Note and include helpful context, such as the purpose of the retainer or any brief instructions your client should know. Keep the note clear and professional, and avoid sensitive details that don't belong in a client-facing document. Finally, save the trust request by clicking Save Trust Request. You'll see the request added to your billing records, ready for your standard follow-up and tracking. That's the full workflow. Open Billing, start a new trust request, set your dates, pick the client, choose the balance type, enter the amount, add an optional note, and save. With these steps, you can create consistent, compliant trust requests in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.